Hi there, I'm Barrett O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, this morning I was thinking about my journey as an artist. And I thought if I would have listened to all the people that told me I would never make it as an artist because I didn't have the education or the skill or whatever, then I would have never picked up a brush. And in fact, it did paralyze me a little bit for a few days or weeks or sometimes even months. I would just think, oh, I can't do this. But really, I didn't realize that's their limitations. All the people that told me I couldn't do it, it's where they're at. And once I realized that, I was able to move those obstacles off to the side. And most importantly, just start and have fun and move that water and color around. Now, of course, we can always become a better artist by reading books or watching online programs or other YouTube programs or anything. We can always gather more information. But we can also get overwhelmed and we might try to paint like one particular style or another. And then we have to find our own individual style. And to do that, basically, you just need to understand some techniques. And then if you can allow your own creativity to come through, and what that means is just think of what sparks your inspiration, what excites you. And that's how you're going to begin your journey to your own individual personal painting style. So when you look at other people's art, think about, do I like that control? Do I like that lost edge? What is a lost edge? And thinking of those things, that's when you would take a class. But like you can see behind me, most of these paintings have a lot of control in them because we just finished an orchids workshop. Also, I have some paintings that are huge. And those techniques are not any different than the smaller size. It's about moving that water and color around. But the goal of what I wanted to say today was remove those obstacles and limitations of the people that told you you can't make it, or maybe you're telling yourself that. Maybe that happened or the idea happened to you when you were a kid. So try to identify where those limitations are and just say hello to them and move them over and then become the artist that you have always dreamed of. So have fun and happy painting. Bye.